back to my channel again. Please, if you're new in my channel, press the like button, subscribe. If you can share the videos, and make sure it gets to the right people, the top people like the government here in Enugu. Spread the news. Enugu is a city with a beautiful lifestyle. So currently we are at Golf Estate. If you look very well, you'll see that this route is under construction, and the government has actually been trying all this while, trying to fix all the roads here in Enugu. This is beautiful. I don't know the last time you visited Enugu, especially this side. So this route takes you down to Onitsha Expressway. It also connects to Transekulu Flyover and down to Noah's Junction. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. Tell me the places you want me to cover. I will be glad to do that. Let's go! Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe this video. Tell me the places you want me to cover for you, and I'll be willing to give you those videos. See you in my next video. Bye.